Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 16 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to fix wireless charging not working. In the beginning, make sure that MagSafe is compatible. Next, check for debris between phone and charger. And align the magnet until the charging animation appears. Sometimes wireless charger can also not work if the case is too thick. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.